I'm the one at the sail. I'm the master of my speed. The master of my speed. I was born again from a young age, shook my soul again to the masses. Out of my poems for the few that look at me, shook me, killing me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message, from the pain, taking my lesson, from the pain, seeing the beauty.